Hello class, this is Maureen Durant. I'm your instructor for Study Strategy Student Success, and I'd like to welcome you to the course. I'd like to give you a little quick overview here of the course just so you can get started and understand how to navigate the course in a very basic way. I am in student preview mode, and this should be the view that you see when you're looking at your course on your desktop or laptop computer. I highly recommend that you work on a desktop or laptop computer. The navigation is much more difficult on your mobile devices, which are great for checking in and maybe doing a discussion post or something like that. But for your real work, let's work on a laptop or desktop. When you open the course, you'll see the navigation panel over here. It's a course menu right here. This is essential that you see this. Otherwise, you won't be able to navigate the course very well. If you don't, there's a little arrow here, and sometimes it gets hidden, and you can hide that. And so open it back up if you don't see it. The first place I'd like you to look is in the course syllabus right here. Under the course syllabus tab, you'll see the course syllabus in the document that you open. That's the course syllabus. And the second one that I have, the course schedule, is the course schedule where you'll get the due dates, the activities, etc. We follow CU distance learning calendar, and so our due dates will shift according to holidays within the semester. So open that up and you'll see all of those dates. Also here is our textbook. Here's a doc copy of the textbook, but this also gives you a nice usable online copy if you'd like. You can click into it right there. Then they show you all the different formats. Read this book, click right here, and then scroll down and you'll see the whole table of contents. This is why I like this online version, because I can click over to different sections that I might assign and look at them in that way. And so I think that's the easiest way to really navigate that textbook. We also use the graduation planner. Both these are free, so you don't have to buy a textbook for the course, and so you will access them right there. Now let's go to the second area that is critically important for you, and this is our course content. So we click here and we get over to Unit 1. Every unit, so we'll have 16 units because we have 16 weeks, and so every unit is contained in a folder. And so you see this, but you must click into the folder to get the content. There's a little navigation panel here. You can also click through the pages there. I give you the learning objectives. We really will understand what is it that we need to get out of a unit that we're doing. Then, of course, you click into the assignments that we have, and there I'll give you all the reading assignments, the expectations. Each week we basically have readings. I have a PowerPoint for you. We have generally a short quiz, an activity, and a discussion forum. It varies just a little bit, but we have about 3 elements every week, every time we have a unit. And so we'll have a PowerPoint that you'll click into there with some sound in it. The discussion board, I give you a little video here. Using the discussion board at first can be a little confusing, but if you're using your Blackboard orientation course that you find when you open up your courses, you see that, please do that. It helps you so much. And then the discussion board video that I give you here will help. And so all through it. I try to link you to everything whenever, so this is the overview of all the assignments. Then this is the discussion, and it should launch you right over to the forum. But this is really, I think, the best way to get to the forums is just to scroll down and you see discussion board. On the board are the forums. So I have celebrations, and you can read through those and what those are about. A place to ask questions, and then of course the number one. This is Unit 1. So no, I mean Unit 1 right here. Unit 1 introductions, and so that will be our first discussion forum. Okay. And so whenever you look through that, read through everything carefully, and you will be less confused. Sometimes we just skim things and then we miss things and we're not as thorough as we should be. And so try to slow down a little bit. I know everybody is pressed for time, but try to slow down a little bit and really get to know the course. Go through the buttons and see what's in the different areas. So I'm going to click over back in course content and then click back into our folder, and then of course you'll see where the quiz is this week, etc. If I were to have an activity that had an additional place for you to submit something, then that would be in that navigation panel as well. And so really, you're just going to have to spend some time and look here and ask questions. This is how you contact me. You email me, you identify yourself in the email and you ask a question, or you can call me on this phone number. This is my cell phone, and text me if you like. Identify yourself so I know who it is, and just text me, and I try to get back to you as soon as I can, because I know you want answers to your questions quickly, and I try my best. And so text me, or we can set up a time to talk. I can come over to Cameron and we can visit together in the adjunct office, in the Office of Teaching and Learning, or we can visit virtually. So there's different ways for you to get information that you need. You have to reach out, you have to work in the course and get to know the course and what it looks like and how to navigate everything. But you're going to be successful if you spend the time, you take your time and really try to learn the objectives here. I look forward to getting to know each and every one of you. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.